I looked it up because I'm that kind of person. Froli rhymes with holy for everybody who didn't know. We have been given the Froli system, and it's about bedtime. Because of course, that's when we waited to remember, oh, I really want to put this in and have a better night's sleep. We've heard amazing things about it. So we are here, not in Mayberry, in Jody.
Mount Airy. I was trying to think of it too. Oh, I want to say Pilot Mountain.
Mayberry. No, not Mayberry. Mount Airy. We're here in Mount Airy at our very first Airstream rally. We've been having a great time, so that's why we're not putting this together till, what is it, almost 9 o'clock?
Almost 9 o'clock.
Almost 9.
Right.
I'm good. I just looked.
Like a built-in clock there.
I just looked.
Didn't even have to look at the sun.
Almost 9 o'clock. So we're going to put it together. It's right here, and
somebody didn't sleep good last night.
no, so I'm really excited. I've heard amazing things, so I'm hoping I'm going to have a better night's sleep. We will definitely get back on camera and let you know how much of a better night's sleep I got, or if all the talk I heard about it is lies. No, I'm sure it's good.
Step 1, grab the mattress, and how am I going to do this?
Maybe put it on your mattress.
Well, yeah, I'm going to put it on there. I'm just trying to figure out how to put it on mine.
And
There.
yes, guys, we have the twins because we don't like to crawl over each other.
Yeah.
So we're going to do each
All right,
side.
there we go.
All right.
That's what this thing looks like under here. All right, let me come over here and grab the box.
This is what life in a 23-foot Airstream is like. It's very close and comfy.
If I can go bigger, she doesn't want to go
These
bigger.
are all my wedges from my wedge system that I put on the bed to help me stay propped up.
She has back issues, which is one of the reasons we're getting Froli.
Froli rhymes with
We're getting a
holy.
Froli with
I
holy.
looked it up. They said it's a German word.
I feel like Crocodile Dundee. It was on the other day. That ain't a knife. This is a knife. That's my best Australian accent.
I swear. Didn't sound really Australian. That's okay.
Hey, matey. You call that a knife, matey?
Is it matey or is it mate?
Close enough.
I think matey is what people on ships say. I don't know.
Oh, this knife was sharp. I guess I cut too many woods with it.
Oh, we used to use
bushcraft
it
knife.
like to make like kindling and stuff. Yeah, when we rooftop
Yeah,
tent
it might be time to sharpen that. That's my knife. You guys know a good knife sharpening system? For some
Tell us in
reason.
the comments. We need to try
I want
it.
to cut myself.
You should have done like they do on TV, like put the knife to it and then bam, it was open.
Still do that.
It's open.
Of course, since I'm not reading the directions, I'm probably going to have to... Some of these sides are different than the others. We'll find out once I get to the end. And be like,
Don't do it wrong. Read the directions. Do we need to switch spots?
Yeah, so maybe all these should be facing the same way.
I
I want to break it.
I've learned circus
There
music
we go.
just for you.
Okay, so I'm going to make them all facing the same way. I didn't notice that. This is here, this is here. I was doing opposites. Maybe that's how you're supposed to do it, but I don't think so.
I'm gonna have to stop you and read.
Let's go.
Alright.
I don't know what all you're talking
Using
about.
the assembly tool has very good directions, you guys. It's just Jody's not reading them.
No, you don't need
Connect the
this.
base elements at the desired hole positions by pressing down firmly for the top to set the locking clip securely into the hole of the upper element. Just in case you didn't know, by the way, this is what the end of the Airstream twins look like.
It gets a little tricky over here, so I'm going to cut this tab off over here. Some diagonal cutters and snip. Bada boom, bada bang. Now it fits.
Now you just like snapping your fingers, don't you?
So they say these light blue ones are for your shoulders, so I think your shoulder's right around here. All right, do we got more of those? Or is
The
that
light
it?
blues, that's the end of the light blues.
Okay, so that's probably about right?
Yeah. All
Okay.
right, you want me to hand you the
Yeah.
dark?
Starring Andy Griffith. No, all of my years I thought it was Andy Griffin.
So basically, guys, from what I understand, the Froli system is going to be almost like springs that kind of lock together underneath your mattress, and That's it, right? I mean,
Yeah, like a box spring, but it
Okay, yeah,
allows
kinda like a
airflow, so
box
we don't
spring.
get condensation either, because summer's coming.
and that's summer is coming. I always think winter is coming, like the Game of Thrones. But anyway, yes, and also handles the condensation issue. So not only does it, make you more comfortable and provide kind of some spring, but it will keep the mattress lifted from the wood so that air can circulate.
No mold or mildew.
And then I have these red ones, and I'm reading that if you add them to the center of the spring in the lumbar region for your lower back, you'll have some extra support. And I laid down and we moved the shoulder row one row up because I slid it out. I'm a little bit higher there, except for that one. Here we go. And then we're thinking this is more where the lumbar, I guess I stay kind of closer to the top.
Okay, so this just
So
clips on here real easy. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Makes it a little tighter.
Oh, yeah. Such a cool system, actually.
Yeah,
like, I wonder the brain that came up with this. This is pretty cool, actually.
Yeah, it's pretty
Thoughtful and
Yeah, it goes right
customizable.
together, yeah.
Like, how customizable is that?
That's why we're having an Airstream twin, because we have the curve here.
Yeah,
So you can't just go out and
that's very
willy-nilly
cool.
anything you want.
This one right here is a little crooked and it's irking. Just 1, 2,
I did that on
3.
purpose for you.
This doesn't
She's,
look as
she's like the
neatly on
princess and the pea, like you put a little pea under there. Even though she can't see it once the mattress is on, she's going to know it's crooked and she's not going to be able to sleep at night.
Just that one. The rest are pretty...
She won't be able to sleep at night unless I fix it.
This one. It just looks a little bit off.
All right, I'm going to do 2 rows of this, right? Just to make sure where you're...
Yeah.
It's not perfect where
Yes,
you are,
sir.
so... All right.
Thank you, Joey.
And the mattress does, on the Airstreams, does come out, hang out over a little bit. But not much you could do here.
But I think this might help that as well.
That's what I'm wondering.
All right, she's all set.
Yeah, I could probably screw it down too, but I don't think we really need to.
Nah.
Oh, yeah, you can see it's getting the airspace in here. I can stick my hand under here.
And it's a little higher, which is easier to get in and out of,
Yeah.
I think.
All right, let's get in there. All right, so what's it feel like?
I think it feels pretty good, actually. I could feel a little bit more like support in my back for sure. So like right here, it feels a little bit firmer, which is good because I need that. So I think it's going to be good actually for me.
The shoulders feel good right now?
Yeah, they do. My shoulders feel good.
All right.
I think we have it placed correctly. We'll see tonight. We could always make an adjustment tomorrow night if we need to.
Yeah, I didn't
but,
screw it down or anything, so.
Yeah, but I think everything's pretty much
Yeah.
right. Honestly.
Test it out over the next 2 weeks and get back to you guys.
All right, here's Jody's. He's putting in the very last piece on his side.
Sleep on it and see. Well, yeah, you could definitely tell it definitely feels more comfortable.
Yeah.
So the real test will be able to see how it sleeps the next couple nights.
Yep.
Yeah.
We'll report back.
Report back, and we had a crowd outside our window here.
Yes,
So
we had several
Everybody
people at the
watching
rally
us.
watching us put it together, guys.
So we said we'll report back to them. They'll
Doug
wanna
and
know.
company. Shout out to Doug. He's actually already one of our subscribers. So shout out to Doug, and
Yeah. So we'll report back to all of them, and they all want to know how
they'll
it
get
works.
the sneak. They'll get the sneak peek
Yeah,
in
they all
person.
came in here and we saw someone.
watching right there.
Say, what are you guys doing over here? We got the lights on, the windows open, so everyone's like, what are you guys doing? So, but this was a fun rally too. So we're out in Erie, right?
Yep, Mount Airy.
Okay, I said it right.
Yes, you did. Not like me. I kept saying
I was
Mayberry.
thinking it was wrong. That's why I said it right, because I was thinking Mayberry. So I'm like, well, it's Mayberry, so let me say the opposite. But yeah, this is and it's gonna give us air, so we don't have that mildew problem.
Yep.
So
Nice.
Yeah, I
Thank
like it.
you, Froli. We're excited.
Froli as in holy. All right, Tara. So how was it? How was the Froli as in Holly?
No, Froli
Froli.
isn't holy.
How was the Froli system?
It was good, actually. I was comfy. I slept later than you by like 2 hours, so I definitely felt good in it. I actually haven't taken anything from my back, and I didn't take any last night. Look, I'm like a true experimental process person. So I didn't take even Tylenol PM that I sometimes take if my back is bothering me and I need to sleep. Had a great night's sleep. Now we'll ask Jody how he slept.
Yeah, I slept pretty good, so I slept real good. Got up, got breakfast. I was over there eating breakfast for all the Airstreamers, and they're all impressed like how good I ate. They're like, man, you're eating a lot of good fruits and vegetables for breakfast. So I had a good night's sleep. Now I had a healthy breakfast, and now I'm good to
Our
go.
loyal viewers watch you all the time.
Ask anyone that was at breakfast. They'll tell you how good.
There's no way. Anybody who watches this show does not believe you that you ate fruit. You're lying.
They'll all tell you. They're impressed.
So tell me about how you like the Froli.
It was really good. Yeah, it made a slight difference. I could tell. Like, I woke up, I'm like, yeah, it's kind of comfortable. Like, I forgot about it, and I thought about it. Like, yeah, this bed does feel a little more comfortable. So it's not a drastic change, but it's enough. Like, I'm not waking up with any pains or anything, and I'm good to go. All right, guys, if you have any questions, just go ahead and leave it in the comments. And Froli sent the system to us and gave us a 15% discount for you guys. The code is TJ15. I'll put a link down below. But let us know if you have any questions, and we'll keep you updated. We'll be back in the Keys next week. See you next Sunday, 6 o'clock Eastern PM.